Okay, in this video we're going to go ahead and show you how to install developer, which is in this bag. This is developer into your developer unit. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is remove, well, first you're going to set the developer unit on a table. We like to put it on a piece of paper, and we'll show you in a little bit why we like to put it in a piece of paper. Maybe two of these will work fine, but anyhow, if go ahead and take your developer unit out, and you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. We're actually using a Phillips power screwdriver. You don't need that, but a hand Phillips number 2 is good. We're going to remove that screw there and that screw there. Okay, once you have that out, you are going to see a little tab here and basically right there. You're going to use that, you're going to put your fingers there and lift the whole cover out. Sometimes it's stuck a little. Just make sure you wiggle it, but it'll eventually come out. If you turn the developer unit, you'll see, I don't know if you can see that, you'll see some plastic, if you want to call it rivets, that are sticking out here that actually go into those areas right there. So they pretty much lock. So anyhow, once you have your developer unit here, yours is going to be completely filled with toner and developer. You need to pour that out, and it's quite simple to pour it out. You just turn it upside down just like that. Nothing's coming out of ours because ours is empty, but we like to put it on a piece of paper there just to keep it clean. Developer is mainly like sand, so it's not going to make a big mess. And then once you pour it out, let's turn it this way so you can see it. Once you pour it out, just like that, just pour it out just like that. Then on the side here, you're going to turn that, and that's going to turn the mag roller, and you're going to get excess toner that's stuck on the mag that's going to fall in here, and then you're going to tip it again, and you're going to keep doing that till you get most of it out. Don't worry about if there's still some left, but just try to get as much as you can out of it. But if you can, most of it's going to come out anyhow. But just try the best. You don't have to spend an hour doing that. Just, 5-10 minutes to do that. So once it's fairly clean there, you might still have some stuck here in the mag roller. That's fine. So you're going to open it. We're not going to do it in this video, but we're going to just show you what to do. So right there, you're just going to pull that tab out, and it's going to give you a little opening right here. So you're just going to gently pour all the way across, back and forth, till you empty the whole bag. And if it gets really full, just turn it on the side and it'll drop inside, and you can continue pouring till you're all done. Once the bag is completely empty, and it will fit in the developer unit, you're now going to, you can turn it until it gets nice and solid. That silver mag roller will get nice and black. That's when you know it's ready to go. You don't necessarily need to turn it, but you can just to make it solid. Once you're done, you're going to grab that cover, and you're going to, we have it the other way around in this video right now. Okay, so you're going to align them up with those rivets there, just like that, and push down, just like that. Turn it around to make it easier, and you're going to put those screws back, just like that. And once those 2 screws are back, you're ready to go. You can put this unit back into the system, and from then you need to calibrate it, but we'll go ahead and do that over the phone. I'll show you how to do the calibration. Okay, so thank you for watching.